Cordless tools are the lifeblood of our shop. But when the batteries are dead, our work can't go on. Cordless tools are some of the most convenient tools in our shop, but battery storage is a problem. We never know which ones are alive or which ones are dead. They do have the little meters on the front, but these tend to fail after a while, and it's not super convenient to press that little meter all the time. Today we're going to build a cordless tool charging station so that we can charge our DeWalt batteries and our Ryobi batteries. Even though I have a few other kinds of batteries, we're not going to put those in the station just because I don't use them that often and we primarily use them in the house. We've put together some plans, so let's go make them. We have some MDF coated plywood that we're going to use for this project that I got for free. I can't buy any more locally. I don't even know where it comes from or what it's called. If you've got this kind of material in your area, leave me a comment. I really like it. I wish I could buy it locally. If you like what we're building here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We sure could use your help. Here's a PDF of the plans that we threw together, but you could make it any size to fit your needs. So if you've never seen it before, mounting a power strip or any kind of tool can be difficult, mapping out exactly where the holes are. So you take some masking tape, put it on there, and then rub them with a pencil or with just if you got dirty fingers, to mark the holes, and then you can transfer the tape over and it gives you your mounting screw holes. Got me a crayon, and I just cover the holes. Now I'll be able to put stuff in and out of there. I once read that there's only 3 basic types of woodwork. Casework, which is what we're doing today, tables, and chairs. When you think about it, most everything is casework. A dresser is just a case with drawers. A bookshelf is a case with shelves. A cabinet is a small bookshelf mounted to the wall or set on the floor. If you can master these building techniques, you could build anything with wood. So we did the tape on the power strip, but on these that's a little bit unnecessary because they actually tell you in between the centers on these, embossing it in the plastic really wasn't that much extra effort, and that's really nice. We'll drill some holes and we'll mount 2 DeWalt chargers and 1 Ryobi charger. The DeWalt chargers require you to be able to pull the battery up. So we're going to mount the Ryobi charger at the bottom first because it just pulls in and out, and then we'll mount the rest of them and see where that goes.